It ain't got no exhaust. It ain't got no exhaust on.
Oh yeah. Too much. So run. Yeah.
He had a little problem when I first bought it. He sent it. Like he's supposed to send it to 178, but he sent it to 187. They sent it back, and then had to send it back again. Yeah.
Open it, man. Yeah. 30 straight. Yeah, I just had to put some. Let's see what all I get. Line everything back up and stuff, and you know, just project work on it piece by piece by piece.
All my niggas be coming, yeah, you know we fucking coming. Got them bangs, you know it's coming. Man, I put that on my mama. Y'all niggas watch that for the summer. This shit is like a monster. And you want beef, I want the drummer. You not come out till next summer. I fucked your ass up like a farmer. And your head fucked up like a farmer. I told you niggas that I'm coming. You had the ball, but now you fumble. You niggas always having something. But tell me shit that don't be nothing. Try me, nigga, I'ma show you something. Man, I put that on my uncle.
See, sometimes, man, as you get doubters, you know what I'm saying? You get doubters, but you just gotta, you know what I'm saying? You with that gold, man. I'm going chrome and gold, man. Y'all stay tuned for the channel. Y'all stay tuned for the channel.